Say hello to Cabana Beach San Marcos, where every day feels like a luxurious beachside vacation in San Marcos. Seaside charm meets student convenience here just for you. These stylish studios and en-suites feature spacious walk-in closets, ceiling fans, newly renovated kitchens, screened-in patios for sunny breaks, and big-screen TVs for blockbuster nights. With in-unit washers and dryers, laundry is always a breeze. Sweat it out in the gym, power through projects in the computer lab, or community workspaces with speedy Wi-Fi. Then dive into the pool for refreshing laps or water volleyball. Rally friends for sand volleyball, shoot hoops on the basketball court, or fire up the grills for a feast in the outdoor lounge. Pets are welcome, and parking is always available. Located on Sadler Drive, you're a quick drive from Texas State University and McCoy College of Business. So getting to class is effortless. Explore the city with buses from Region Care Center, or hop on a train at San Marcos Station. So don't wait. Secure your spot at Cabana Beach San Marcos Stay via amberstudent.com today.